Hi folks, welcome back. Today we're making spicy Bombay potatoes. For that you'll need part-boiled potatoes, 2 onions chopped, tomato powder, garlic, ginger, chilies blended, Garam Masala, turmeric, Methi, Jeera, salt, tin of plum tomatoes and blended in the machine, some oil and a glass of water. Okay, let's get we've started. Got the pan on medium to high heat. We're just going to add some oil, a couple of tablespoons, don't need very much. Just wait till that heats up, and then we'll add some jeera, and once that starts toasting then we'll add some onions. Okay, now add the jeera, cumin seed, and as that's nicely starting to toast there, it will release a lovely smell. And into that we'll add the chopped onions. And we'll give that a mix and let the onions cook down for about 5 minutes. As you can see now, the onions are starting to soften up. Now it's time to add a bit of salt, about a teaspoon. And now the chili, garlic and ginger mix that we blended earlier. Now we'll give that a few minutes to cook before we add the rest of the ingredients. It's time now to add the turmeric. Again, about a tablespoon. And some methi. Okay, time to add the Garam Masala. Again, about a tablespoon. And some tomato powder. I'm going to need to add a little bit of water here just to help the spices. There we go. It's looking quite nice. The spices are just about cooked now. We've just got to add the tomatoes. And give that a really good mix, keeping the heat to about medium. And once you've mixed it, just put the lid on and keep stirring occasionally until it becomes a paste. Probably about another 10-15 minutes. Okay, we're back now, and you can see the tomatoes are cooked down to a lovely paste. And now it's time to add the potato. And you want to give them a real good mix. You want the heat to be about medium. Just keep giving it a good mix. Okay, it's been a few minutes now, and we're just going to add a bit of water and then give it a good mix, and then just put the lid on and occasionally stirring, but it should be okay for about 10 minutes. Okay, we've added another cup of water, so that's 2 cups of water, and then just gently give it a mix. And that's it. Put the lid on and we'll check on it again in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and potatoes are looking rather nice. Smell gorgeous. Can't wait to taste. Okay folks, that's spicy Bombay potato ready. And if you give the recipe a try, please leave us some comments. If you like it, give us a like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.